Hi everyone, I'm Priyanka and you're welcome to the Terrace Kitchen. In today's video, we'll see the recipe of very simple and delicious chocolate pudding. Let's get started. To a kadhai or a pan, add 2 cups milk. I'm using full fat milk. 1 cup fresh cream. If you do not have fresh cream, you can use homemade malai. 4 tablespoon cornstarch. 3 tablespoon cocoa powder. I'm using natural unsweetened cocoa powder. Give this a mix, and then after mixing you need to place this on your gas stove or induction. Keep the flame between low to medium and continuously stir the mixture so that the mixture doesn't stick to the bottom. Once the mixture starts to thicken, add half cup sugar and continuously mix. It looks like a custard. Now it's time to add 1 1/4 cup dark chocolate. I'm using Amul's 55% dark chocolate. Mix it till the chocolate melts and completely gets dissolved in this chocolate custard mixture. Towards the end, add 1 teaspoon vanilla essence. Just mix it and this pudding is ready to go into your bowls or cups, whatever you would like to serve these in. I'm using these small ice cream bowls. This recipe would give you such 6 to 7 bowls of chocolate pudding. If you use homemade malai in this recipe, then you might have to strain the mixture before putting it into ice cream bowls or serving bowls. So these are ready. I'm going to let these come to room temperature, and after that I'm going to refrigerate these for 2 hours. Not freezer, in the regular section of my refrigerator. And this is the leftover pudding mixture. So from this recipe you would get 6 to 7 such pudding cups. I just took these out of my refrigerator. Finally garnishing these with some choco chips. This step is optional, or you can add some grated chocolate or chopped chocolate. This pudding turns out really creamy, smooth and heavenly. Give this recipe a try and enjoy.